Hello everyone, welcome to the special edition of Diwali special keywords for your design. And in this tutorial I will be sharing all of you different keywords which you can use for your designs and your canvas, and some of them will be free and some of them will be in pro section. And so before starting, I would like to wish all of you a very happy and safe Diwali. Enjoy your Diwali, and let's start today's video. So I'll be choosing Instagram post as my canvas, so you can choose any of them according to your design, according to your design purpose. So let's click on it. So before starting, I would like to say that it will be a two-part video. So this is the first part, and I will share the next part in some hours today only. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can watch both the videos and get notification for the second one. So I will come to the elements here. Okay, so the first keyword is Diwali lamp. Okay, just click on it and go to graphics, and here you will find different elements for Diwali lamp here, and you can see most of them are in pro section and some of them are in free, like this one, and this one is in free section, and you can use any of them. If you are in a Canva Pro account, you can use any of them. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's move to the next keyword, which is Diwali garland. Okay, so I will keep on it as graphics, because which I will be needing here is graphics. Here you will find many in free section, like this three, and this one also in free section. And these are all the garland pictures which you can use for your design, and many of them are in free, like this one, and also this in free section. Okay, so you can use any of them. Okay, let's move into the third keyword, which is Diwali rangoli. So no Diwali is complete without rangoli, and this is the rangoli designs which you can use for your design, for your canvas. And these you can see many are in free section, like this one, this one, this one, this two, this three. So many are in free section, like this and this one. And you have seen in the starting of the video that I have wished the happy Diwali with rangoli design. So you can come to the video and you can use these videos also for the wish design, for the Diwali wish design. Like these are all in pro section, so if you don't have a pro account, you can't use any of them. So let's move in to the fourth keyword, so which will be the last keyword for this part one, and I will straight away move to the next keyword in the next part. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out the video of the next part, which will be another 4 keywords which will be very useful for your designs. So this is Diwali fireworks. So these you can see all the elements here. So you can see all the elements here. Okay, so 1 2 3 are in free section, as you can see here. This one also free. Okay, so most of them are in pro section. If you are using a free account, you can also use some of them, but it's best to use a pro account so that you can use any of the elements or the designs freely without any type of problem. So hope you like the tutorial. If you like the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if I have missed any keyword in both the parts, you can just comment in here in this video and let me know in the comment section. Make sure you share the video with your friends who are all in designing, and help them design a great Diwali special themed canvas or or any type of social media post for their own design. Thank you.